Giving you this information as a JAMB candidate because you need to do this right now. If you are one of those that want to rewrite your JAMB, this is what you must do right now. JAMB just gave us this information. Go and reprint your JAMB slip. Go and reprint your JAMB slip. If you have been complaining that they did not give you opportunity to rewrite your JAMB, go and reprint your JAMB slip to know if you are one of those that JAMB gave the opportunity to rewrite your exam. To know if you are one of those that JAMB gave the opportunity to rewrite your 2025 exam, you have to go and reprint your JAMB slip now so that you can know the date JAMB gave you for your own exam. JAMB has activated the portal for candidates, so the portal is already active, eligible for the 2025 mop-up UTME exam. I've told you JAMB is giving you the opportunity to write another JAMB exam for anybody that missed their exam, whether the first one or the second one. You have the opportunity to write again. You have the opportunity to write it afresh. This applies to candidates who missed their main exam. You can now reprint your exam slip using the link below. See the link. I'm always giving you first-hand information. This is the link: https://slipsprinting.jamb.gov.ng. then print exam slip. When you click on this link, you will now have to enter your details like your JAMB reg number, your email address, and all the rest. This is extremely important. Go and do it now. If you need me to send you this link privately, let me know. But I want you to leave whatever you are doing right now. Go and do this. See if you are among those that JAMB is giving another opportunity to rewrite. If you are not among them, also come under the comment and tell me so that we can find a solution. Remember, like this video, click on like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, let me know that you have subscribed. Also, click on join our YouTube channel. There's an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.